It is said that कि गमे ज़िंदगी को गमे यार में शामिल कर लो, गमे ज़िंदगी को गमे यार में शामिल कर लो, नशा बढ़ता है जो शराबों का शराबों में मिले. If you include your personal, professional, every life together, it will give you the wings to fly high. And my supervisor, Professor Muralidhar, he said once, Yandalib, any problem comes into life, just the only mantra is that kill them by your excellence. That's it. Okay. On that note, I will invite Professor Pant, our Honorable Director, to say address.
Right, it should be closed, but anyway, I give just a conclusive session. So, Mr. Pradeep Kapseji, I will say professor and right, a legendary also. The Professor U.P. Singh, our Deputy Director, Head of the Department, Professor Hon'ble, and the guest, important guest, the right, Mrs. Pradeep Kapseji, daughter, son-in-law, and youngest daughter-in-law of the team, along with all the faculty colleagues of the granddaughter of the team, and all the faculty colleagues who are sitting here, all the research scholars, all the guests, those who are here. A warm welcome to this, I would say now it is named as Sri Pradeep Kapse Auditorium. So, IIT Roorkee campus, mechanical department, and finally to this auditorium, which had been supported financially by Mr. Pradeep Kapseji. Lot of things Professor Dees has discussed about him. I think he is a kind of legend person. He has done a lot of right contribution towards the automobile sector, and he has always remembered his alma mater. This is more important that I always tell, that touch to your, always remember your right alma mater, where from you studied, and that is most important thing. And the kind of human being, you can see him here, right, and the kind of citations which have been writing, I think this clearly shows that how strong is he. I thank you, sir, for supporting the auditorium finance for this mechanical department. I'm sure that this will become a kind of inspiration for other alumni also of the other departments also within the institute, so that we will have more and more similar these kind of devices will come up in the department with the support of the alumni. More important is that the kind of talks, the kind of lesson which he has given during his speech is very, very important, especially for the youngsters, especially for the young faculty colleagues, because if we are a good teacher, our students will remember, for a long time. And that is what credit you are getting as a teacher, is that what your alumni speak about you once they leave the institute. So that's very, very important. And this is that I could see that the legendaries of our professors of mechanical departments whose names were cited, I really salute to them, because the institutes are made from their teachers, made from their researchers, Institutes are made from the students, because we always remember our alumni who are doing good, who are creating a kind of the change in the real world, improvement in terms of GDP. That is very, very important. And I always tell that what you are contributing to the society is very important. How are you a good human being is very, very important, and that is a holistic development. And this is what we are trying to inculcate among our young generation. So I am sure that the kind of message which he has given, that hard work always pays, and that is mentioned in our what we speak, our Kulgir, it always talks about that. Shamam binana kimapi sathyam vrat, and I think we should always remember that. This is just a message to the young generation, younger faculty colleagues, all the faculty colleagues, and for all of us, including me also. So, because life is always a learning lesson, We have to learn every day, from youngers, from seniors. So both sides. It's a kind of learning, through discussion, learning through experience, both which I think the new generation, when we talk about artificial intelligence, machine learning, so how this can be implemented now? Because automobile engineering sector, you see, what Mr. Kapse has said, that you can earn 2.5 crores in a year if you are a good mechanical engineer. Somehow, our generation, the younger, the kind of message which has been given, if you get a computer science branch or IT branch, you will become a billionaire, So that we just think in terms of the Google, Yahoo, but we forget about what will be the future of the hardcore industries, not only mechanical industries, all branches of when we talk about the science and engineering. So I think there is a high time when we talk about multidisciplinary research, interdisciplinary research, and connected for the transformational research. Look forward for a startups, and from startups make it converted to the industry. This is the need of the hour. The support from our alumni is always there. Support from government bodies is always there. So finance is not a problem nowadays. If you have a kind of determination, I think we should think in that direction. And world is changing exponentially, so we have to also change ourselves exponentially and touch that. If the hard work is there, then sky is the limit. So thank you, Pradeep ji, for coming here. Thank you, ma'am, right, for joining him. And thank you all the family members, those who are here. And thank you all the faculty colleagues, those who are sitting here. I thank Professor Anil Tariq for contributing to this right auditorium, and he is very hard worker, dedicated, and I always admire his efforts for the right, because the department is progressive, but all faculty members are working together and supporting the leader. Institute works when all faculty members, all students are working together and supporting the administration. So this is how the system works, and I'm happy that all of you are working as a team, and this will always, but I dream that how IIT Roorkee will sign and how it will be in 2047. I want to see IIT Roorkee among top 200 institutes in the world. And this should be our vision, and every student, every faculty member of the institute should work for that. Thank you very much. Namaskar.